Hello freshmen, I'm Julianne Harvey and I teach the Freshman Learning Community's Ceramic Seduction class, which is linked to English, taught with Rhea Ramakrishnan. I've taught a variety of art classes and this is one of my very favorite classes to teach. I love clay and I hope that you will fall in love with this amazing material that changes from a plastic state to a glass hard state, and that can be either functional or sculptural in your final project. It's a very challenging and rewarding experience to watch clay go through all this metamorphosis. Ceramics is a community-based practice which promotes learning in an interactive group setting. We have a small class which provides a great way to link English with a fine art credit, which totals 6 credit hours. You don't have to be an art student to take this class, and you'll still receive your required 3 credit hours to graduate. In this linked course, you will be introduced to the many research resources that UNM offers through the museums and library systems and field trips, giving students a college-level field study to draw upon throughout your college career. I hope I see you in ceramics.